Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be discussing about Stable LM, an open source large language model developed by Stability AI. If you are unfamiliar with them, Stability AI is the company behind amazing stable diffusion. In this video, I'll be doing some random testing of this model and provide you all the information how you can access and test it yourself. Let's first have a look at GitHub page. In GitHub page, you will find that as of now, it has released 3 billion and 7 billion parameter models. 15 billion, 30 billion models are on the way. And we have a model available for testing that is on Hugging Face, that is 7 billion parameter. Below, you'll find more details that it has used Stanford Alpaca, GPT-4 All, Shared GPT 52K dataset, Databricks Dolly. We can access this via two ways. As I said, one is Hugging Face and another one is Notebook. So let's click on this Hugging Face link and it will redirect you to this Hugging Face model page. You should have an account on Hugging Face to access this. So let's start asking some questions and test this model. So the first prompt I'm going to give is write a sick leave application. Click on submit. Let's see. So we have the result here. I read through this application and what I could see is that it has not written like very simple, straightforward, that I'm not able to come due to cold, this and that. It has written a way much detail about certificate and writing about absence if any other notes are provided, and regarding pay if it can be excused. So it is very different compared to other model. So that's nice. Let's try some other prompt. So the next prompt I'm going to use is about programming. So can you explain the concept of recursion in programming and write a simple code in Python? I'll go ahead and submit. Let's see what it comes up with. So we have the response here. If you read out here, you'll see that it has explained it really well with the example of cookie and a jar and how you'll do that. Even though I asked them to provide a sample code, maybe my prompt was not that clear. So it didn't provide me the code. So I asked another example, a prompt with sample example Python code for recursion, and it has given me code over here. It has used the previous example of jar and cookie. It really good to see that it is able to remember a previous instance of discussion, and even after writing code, it has given a complete description what every function does and what parameters are about. So another prompt which I've used is create a simple accordion component using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it wrote a really lengthy code here. I could see JavaScript, HTML was written well, CSS was also good, but after JavaScript, it just broke in half, like we see in ChatGPT as well. So I just wrote, complete the JavaScript part from above code and give full code. It just went into loop and it is just keep writing this again and again. So I'll just go ahead and close this. Another way to run this is using Colab. If you click on this, it will take you to your Colab notebook. Uh, I won't be able to run this because I don't have a paid account in Colab. And in free account, you get some GPU and RAM. And this actually uses more than that. I have tried this multiple times and it always threw me some error. So I just wanted to know you guys, if you try, you may face some error as well. And if you have a paid account, you will be able to run this. So just to conclude, guys, I really feel this model is really powerful and it has a lot of potential. Because I have this trust because we have seen it with the stable diffusion, with the open source model. What other teams were able to do it? You have Leonardo AI and other Playground, and there are multiple AI art generator website which have implemented using stable diffusion. And I feel that with stable LM, we will see something different in large language model. So that's all for the day, guys. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button, share this with others, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.